Hello everybody, my name is Corey, and today we're going to be doing a read-along for Boruto TBV Vortex. Oh, and also, I am currently on chapter 35. It's a good thing that it's a monthly manga, but at the same time, it's a curse. It's been 2 years now, and I forgot most of the stuff for the first half of this manga. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, the second chapter is titled Tree, and it has a cover of Sarada on it. Okay. So we start off with Code looking at Sarada and Boruto. He's surrounded them with claw grimes. He's saying, "I've been looking for you, Boruto." And he's like, he didn't expect Boruto to show up and stuff. Makes me regret not coming to Konoha a lot sooner. Boruto says, "Withdraw your monsters, all of them. Do it now while you're still able to control them, and I'll let you live." Wait, hold on. What'd you just say? Did you forget that you ran off without making a dent 2 years ago? You've got some nerve to tell me that you're gonna spare my life, says Code. You obviously heard me, so hurry up and do it, or you lose more than your left eye. Boruto's threatening him back. And here I thought I heard the worst of your bluffs. And Code's not buying into any of Boruto's threats. Sarada's shocked by Boruto's statements and how he's acting so far. And then, Boruto goes on to warn her that, hey, there are a lot of people that are still in the way. You need to help get them out of harm's way. And then she's asking, are you sure? And Boruto says he'll talk to her later. Oh, we got Shikadai now. He appeared and he's captured 3 claw grinds with his shadow paralysis. Chocho's coming in with an assist. Oh, she punches him, kicks him. Oh, we have Himawari riding on top of a bird with Inujin. Oh, we have claw grimes crawling out of each other. Oh, they're about to attack Chocho. Shikadai's trying to warn Chocho to get out the way. Oh, we got Inujin's beast bird capturing one of the claw grimes that were about to attack Chocho. Chocho's glad that Inujin saved her. Inujin's just sighing like, yeesh. I told you not to let your guard down, Chubs. I ain't fat, Inujin, says Chocho. Oh, a claw grime knocked Himawari off the bird. Oh, now it's trying to eat Himawari. Inujin's screaming for Himawari because she's in danger. Kawaki's flying. He's saying, out of my way. He kicks the claw grime that was about to attack Himawari, but the claw grime survived. Oh, the claw grime has a Rinnegan. Kawaki's mad at Himawari, talking about she needs to stop getting in the way. How many times do I have to tell you, basically? He says to her. Shikadai's noticing the claw grimes and he's trying to figure out why they seem different than the others. Oh, another claw grime is coming out of another claw grime's body, trying to attack Kawaki while he was blinded just by being distracted by Himawari. It chokeslams him into the ground. Oh, it's actually speaking. It's saying Otsutsuki. Oh, Shikadai paralyzed him with his shadow paralysis. I wonder how long that's gonna last. Oh, Kawaki activated his karma. Being called that pisses me off the most. He destroys it, eviscerates it. They just keep crawling out of each other. Like they have inlet, like portals or something. Doesn't matter because we're gonna slaughter every last one of them, Kawaki says. Ko's just staring at Boruto. He has him surrounded by at least 4 claw grimes. Oh. Ooh, that was some nice swordsman work, Boruto. He just slashed through one claw grime with his sword. Wonder where he got that from. Oh, now they're just trying to mob assault him, but he just slashes through every single one of them. He puts his sword back in the sheath. Now we got Castlevania Code staring down Boruto, now believing into Boruto's threats that he stated earlier. Boruto goes on to threaten Code again, saying you better stop or you'll lose every one of them. All his claw grimes is what he's referring to. Code still thinks Boruto is being cocky, but after seeing what Boruto has done, I'm surprised by that. Boruto's explaining to Code that he doesn't understand what he's messing with the claw grimes. He's saying you don't know the horror of the Ten Tails. And Code's like, what? Oh, we got Sarda in the fray now. She's fighting the claw grimes. Oh, fireball jutsu. Chidori. She's going past two of them, destroying two of them. Oh, we got another claw grime trying to sneak attack people. Oh, we got a random Leaf Village ninja jumping in to protect Sarda because she was off guard. Oh, they gave the random a name, Soegi or Soji. Oh, he's getting eaten by a claw grime. Oh, he got turned into a tree. Sarda's like, that's a tree? What the heck is happening? Code, now back to Boruto and Code. Code's like, I know plenty about the Ten Tails, obviously. They devour Otsutsuki. They're beasts that just instinctively bite anybody in their vicinity. Until they eventually run into an Otsutsuki. That might normally be the case, says Boruto. But he's saying how these claw grimes are different. And he's trying to warn Code that, hey, it's not too late. You need to destroy them while you can, while you still have control over them. Or else we're going to end up in a worse future than we are now. And Code's still like, he's still just brushing Boruto off, saying, I don't believe anything you're saying, basically. He's like, what of it? When Ten Tails devours an Otsutsuki, it puts down roots and becomes a divine tree, leading to that planet's death, and my goal lies beyond that worst possible future. And Boruto's again back at it, saying, Code, I'll say this one more time, I'll let you live. In return, guide me to where the main bulk of the Ten Tails is. And Code again saying, give me a break. You've lost your mind, says Code. And Boruto, I like this energy from Boruto. Boruto's like, look, Code, killing you is easy. So instead of dying, why not do one act of good for the world with your pathetic life? And then Code's like, Code just does not listen. He's like, it's irrelevant since you'll be the one dying. I guess there's no cure for idiocy, says Boruto. Oh, what's the swirls around Boruto? Or Rasengan? What a one-trick pony, says Code. Rasengan Uzuhiko. I do think this was a good chapter, though. They ended off with a new Rasengan variant, Uzuhiko. I got annoyed with Code a little bit because it's like he kept just not believing anything Boruto was saying, and from what I'm seeing, Boruto seems on a different level, and he's just not believing anything he's saying, which is weird. But still, I do think Code's still a good antagonist. Yeah, what mostly happened in this chapter was we learned that the divine trees are becoming sentient beings. One has a Rinnegan. They capture someone, put them in a tree. What does that mean? Yeah. We'll see next chapter. It's mostly fighting for this chapter. Alright guys, if you like these type of read-alongs, hit that subscribe. Bye.